Hey everyone, this is the demo for Preservation Sprint 13. Here we have the steps to production and for our work cycle. And as you can see, preservation catalog, Moab validation, seed preservation catalog, Moab to catalog, and catalog to Moab have been finished. In our current sprint, we've completed catalog to Moab, as well as about 3/4 done with checksum validation and have started in on the ingest robots. If we filter out our waffle board by catalog to Moab labels, we can see that the tickets are either done or in backlog, and we have none in progress. If we filter our waffle board by checksum validation, we can see that we have about 13 done and about 8 in progress and 3 in backlog. And lastly, if we filter the waffle board by ingest robot, we can see that we only have 8 done and we have about 10 in progress and 10 in the backlog. We've created a new way to display our stats info in an Excel spreadsheet, and here's what it looks like. So for the catalog to Moab, we completed this work cycle. It took about 2.6 days to complete. And here we have each storage route on the left-hand side, the version comparison, the timings, and the ending status, whether it's okay or not, as well as the catalog entries and just the Moab general information. So you can see we started this on February 12th and it ended February 15th, and it took 2.6 days. We also have the Moab to catalog stats in here for all of our runs on prod and stage, as well as our catalog seeding. Our GitHub wiki has been updated with this link, and you can see here where when we click it, it takes us to the GitHub wiki. The additional RSpec tests that have been added are shown here. As you can see, we've added the class method catalog to Moab RSpec tests, as well as the catalog to Moab instance method tests right here. We've dove into the checksum validation instance and class method RSpec tests as well, which are shown right here. So the checksum validator, the initialize, and the 2 main methods, which are validate manifest inventories and the validate signature catalog, as well as showing the error cases that can happen. In our upcoming sprint, we will be continuing to working on checksum validation to finish this up, as well as continue to finish up ingest robots. We are almost done with the checksum validation and have a good way to go with the ingest robots. This will conclude the Sprint 13 preservation demo. Thanks for listening.